Okay, so now we'll have to create another design which will be showing, their some created works. So I'm going to name this as carousels for chandeliers. Okay, and this is for the brochure. So now I'll create a new design, and it's again an Instagram post, and here also we'll be creating carousel for XY decor. Okay, XY decor. So here we'll have to add some images on which work they have created. So I am going into Pixabay again, and whichever images I find it great, I would be adding those, because these are all the free images available. So definitely you can add any of these that suits the need, and you can showcase the home decor part properly. Okay, anyone you select, some 6 to 7, I will select it over here, and then we'll go for creating it. Yeah, I guess this much are enough. So I'm going in for free download. Let's add one by one. Now these all are the free images available, hence I'm able to download them and use them. Okay, so you can find some, or normally you can take it from the company itself, because they normally maintain all the records. They have all the images and everything with them. So no need for you to find it when you're doing it for some particular company. But over here, as we are considering some dummy case study, hence I am downloading images myself and I'm putting it into my particular values. Okay, so fine. Let me download the last one, and I'm going back over here, and let us go for upload some images. So let us add, yeah, okay, so I'm adding all. It will just take some moment to upload, and once they are uploaded, I would be able to add it and display it over here. Okay, so all uploading are done. So let me add it, and I will place it in such a manner that, okay, see, like this. And here also I will give here some color. So let me pick a color from this image only, and let me apply it. Yeah, looks cool. So let me add a new page, and now I have added this. So let's add this one. Okay, now for this, for the background, I will select another color from the image itself so that it looks proper. Okay, let me add another one now. Let me change the color later on. So I will just keep on adding the images over here. I don't want the image to, be cutted from any of the sides. Hence, I am just adding it as per the size that it is giving me for expanding. Okay, fine. Let's add a new one. Now you may have many such, but I am adding some 8 to 10 images to show you how the carousels or how the particular entries could be created. We'll add some text on all, and also we'll give some more options which we can add it. We can add, while posting, basically you can add some links as well. Okay, so that you can add it from your account of Instagram, and the link would be visible. Okay, so I have added some 10 pages over here. Now let us change the color. I have put color which is suiting the particular image. So now for this, let me pick up a color. See this one? Yeah, looks great. Okay, fine. Now for this, again, I will pick up a color. Let's select this. Looks great. So always select some appropriate color so that it matches with your image and it doesn't look something weird. Fine. So yes, let's pick a color from here as well. Sorry. Yeah. Now the shade is a bit lighter. If you want, say for example, you want to pick up the color from the ceiling, so even that is possible. Okay, that's up to you how basically you want to fetch the color off. Now let's pick up this color. Okay, similarly, let's say here I'll pick up a color from this, and for the last page, this one. Okay, so now let's add here some text. Okay, now let's add here text, and I would place it below here, and I'll mention where is this created. So let us add some names here, say Court Street in Florence. I want to make the font size less. Okay, and let's make this bold. Now let me copy this, paste it down here, and let's write down here, say Creek Street in Ketchikan. Make it bold. Okay, if you want you can change the font also, but then it should match it. Okay, so let's say we take it like this, and now here I will add the next street name, let's say Dixon Street, Arkansas. Okay, so let us put it down in the next also, say Lombard Street, California. Let us decrease this a bit. Yes. Okay, now it is not that you have to always add it below only. You can add it above also. That depends on you totally. Okay, so Larimer Square, Denver. Let's add it here, and Chapel Street, New Haven. Again, we'll have to decrease this a bit. For this also, if you want to give some darker shade, you can go ahead and give it. Let's add one more option below here, say 2nd Street in Louis. And again, let's change this to a darker shade. Now here we need a lighter font color only, so I want to keep the same, say Ocean Drive, Miami, and make this bold and keep the same font. Again, here also I need a lighter font, so that is correct. So Peachtree Street, Atlanta, or I can write it down as Georgia. Okay, so I have added here. Okay, one more last is pending. Fine. So let us add one more name of where we have created this. Avenue, Hawaii. And for this I will change the font color and make it a darker shade. Okay, so this way we have added over here. It is not that you can just add it on the bottom, as I have told you. You can add it anywhere you need, or if you want to shift this above and then you want it to say, let's say, increase the font and make it across multiple lines. So even that is possible, just to make it highlighted. Okay, so I'll keep this much. let's say 91. I'll place this one above and say this one below. And font, let's make it 91. Okay. Again, making upside down, shift it above. Okay. Let's shift this above and this down. Change the font here. I'm changing for all. Okay. You want to be specific, you can even show the complete address, but I don't want to show that or display that to the users on my Insta account. So I'm just putting in general some street names and where I have worked or which places I have worked on. So only those images I am inserting down over here. So your image looks complete now. Okay, where we'll see some more designs for this home decor. Okay,